trying to run it down because I'm taking it to Texas this weekend, and there's no E85.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm trying to run it out of E85 and then
Put
fill it
some
up with 93 and change the tune.
You know what it makes on 93?
Yeah, it made, well, not on nitrous. On the motor only, it made 650.
Yeah.
That's healthy.
Still not bad at all.
And then motor only 85 made 735. And then 100 dry shot fog at the blower bumped it to 910. It spun on the dyno and almost come the fuck off to the 910.
Jesus.
It was a 20-year-old. It spins too bad for a dig. You ready?
Yep.
Oh! I may want to put in 4 drive. I was like,
Jesus
what
Christ.
the fuck just happened? I forgot to put
Limited life.
Sorry. Try that again. Ready?
Yep. That's fucking awesome. Holy shit.
We had actually shifted it at 68 one time on accident. I forgot to put it in sport mode as in drive mode to track. And it lost 500ths, not a tenth, a half a fucking tenth, shifting it at 68 versus 75.
No shit.
It's not,
So they don't need a rev that high necessarily.
Oh, shit.
but it said from what we have seen on it's been down the track a bunch. 7,500 has been the sweet spot.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, shit. I'm sure it blows the tires off from a dig.
In 4 drive?
Yeah.
We'll try it. Yeah, we are getting water drop. That's what I can't really stall it. I just kind of roll it.
Yeah.
And it straightens back out.
My black truck spun bad on like street.
Now on the track, it hooks, but it hops.
Yeah.
Because it hooks. It, wow, 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 wow.
Yeah, that sucks. That's a fucked up feeling too.
Ready?
Yep. Oh my god, dude. That's fucking sick,
You
dude.
wanted me to race this?
God damn. Holy shit.